Hello traders, this is the very quick video on Nifty expiry analysis. So today 26th May, Wednesday, tomorrow 27th Thursday, we have a weekly expiry. So this was the very first candle on Wednesday, first 15 minutes candle. This is master candle with open equal to high. So 15,258.60 was opening and it made a low of 15,194.95. But then you can see this candle finally break master candle high, and from here you can see we got good 40 to 50 points rally on upside. So on downside 15,270 level is working like resistance. So after crossing 15,300 level, again you can see Nifty came down and it found support near 15,270. So this is very important level to watch for Nifty on downside 15,270. You can see this is the rejection candle on 15 minutes time frame. The low of rejection candle is 15,269.20. So 15,270 is a level to watch. So here you can see now, right now Nifty is trying to come down. So it is having a selling pressure. If one more time Nifty bounce from 15 to 70, okay, so this level will be, uh, this level can work like support. We need to keep a close watch to this level. Now let me show you option chain data. So on put side, you can see 15,200 strike price having highest OI 65 lakh 29,650 shares are active. Okay, 65 lakh 29,650 shares are active. Today's addition you can see 32 lakh 46,375. Now apart from 15,200, you can note down 15,300. Total OI 36 lakhs 65,000. Today's addition you can see 26,000. Sorry, 26 lakh 89,575. So since morning, guys, we can say put writing is going on in 15,200 strike, 15,300 strike, followed by 15,250 strike. So as per this data, we can say as of today, it is looking like Nifty can close above 15,200 on this expiry. Okay, tomorrow Nifty is likely to close above 15,200. On call side, you can see 15,500 strike is having highest OI. 57 lakh 92,550 shares are active. So this level can work like resistance. If tomorrow we are getting another up move, so 15,500 can work like resistance on upside. In today's session, you can see in 15,400 call writing can be seen. 13 lakh 16,625 shares are sold today. And total OI you can see in 15,400 strike 49 lakh 23,000. So we need to give close watch to 15,400, 15,500 on upside. So as of today, the range for this expiry is looking like 15,200 to 15,500. Okay, 15,200 support, 15,500 resistance. So we can go for a bull put spread for this expiry. So once again, I will get back to the graph. So if one more time, guys, if Nifty found support at 15,270 and gives a good bounce, so what we can do, we can go for bull put spread. We can sell 15,200 put, which is right now trading at 26, or we can sell 15,150 put. And to hedge this position, what you can do, you can buy deep out the money put option, maybe 14,700 or 14,650. So in this way, you will get margin benefit. Margin requirement to design this bull put spread will be somewhere close to 55 to 60,000 in this range. So keep a close watch on 15,270 level. If one more time Nifty found support and gives us a bounce, okay, we can go for bull put spread. So you can select strike price 15,200 or 15,150. You can go short, and to hedge these positions, what you can do, you can buy deep OTM put option.